Well, folks, I think you know who I am. I think we got this thing running. Oh yeah, she's running. Until she runs out of gas. Oh yeah. A couple of more things to tighten up. Figure out the gas line. I know it's actually got air going through the line, so that's the problem. And I have to get a couple more of those heater core hoses because one's got a tear in it. But yeah, she does run. This time she ran for over a minute. And I want to get her running so that way, you know, it heats up and everything is okay. So I'm doing all the tightening down on everything before I get completely crazy here. All right, so like and subscribe, hit the bell for post notifications, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. I got over 108, 109,000 views. Where are my subscribers? Hello? I know it took a long time to get it to this point, but Jesus, there was a lot of other things I did too. Come on, folks. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.